Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to be sharing with you why you should be putting flour in your sink. I know we think about this for baking and cooking, but not today, my friend. All right, first thing that you want to do, by the way, if you're looking to reduce the amount of scratches in your sink, I made an entire video on that. I can link it in the description box below. Here's how I like to clean my sink. I like to take just some regular old rubbing alcohol, put it down the drain. This is going to help with the smells and it's going to help disinfect. And little goes a long way when it comes to cleaning your sink with rubbing alcohol, and it also makes it shine pretty nice. And then I just take an old kitchen towel like you see right here. This has got a little bit of a stain on it, and then I just wipe it down and I let that rubbing alcohol dry in the garbage disposal down in there. Wipe everything out in and around the sides here, so not only are you cleaning it, but you are disinfecting it, and it smells so much better. All right, once your sink is nice and clean, you can see the sink is already shiny because I use this technique. You're gonna take some flour, a little goes a long way, as with most cleaning things, and you're just gonna sprinkle it in your sink like so. That's probably a bit too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump this back in. And then I like to go in with the same towel that I used before, but I'm gonna use the opposite side because it's dry, and then you're just gonna buff, and you're gonna watch what happens when you do this. Let's get over here, buff, buff, buff. Go in over here, circular motions in and around your sink. Do not forget the sides. It's easy to forget those. Once you have buffed all the areas of your sink, I'm not going to do the entire sink here for you today. You got better things to do than watch me do this for the next 10 or 15 minutes. You're going to go ahead and rinse it out. Give it a good rinse. I find that my sink is shinier than ever if I had just used any sort of household cleaner. I like this little added touch of adding the flour in there. Let us know in the comments box below if you've tried this before. Give the video a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now for some more amazing cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.